This is a State D20. It's got the exhaust attachment, or the exhaust piece on the bottom. It's got a tiltable. Let me go over here. The table is tiltable, and then the height is adjustable as well. You could drop the table down, I assume, so you could get more of the wheel on. And then this could also be adjusted. But I think you have to loosen the screw up. I just can't do it with one hand. Yeah, there it goes. Yeah, needless to say, it does work. It's got an Allen Bradley start switch on it. And then it's got a forward reverse switch, Allen Bradley again. This is a, oops, it's a fuse box. Thought I looked in there. Left my flashlight. Okay, so I'm going to flip this on. I got it powered up right now. It is 240 volts, and we have 243 phase coming into it. You have to hit your start button, which is already on. And then we can just kick it. Oh, it would help if you plug it in. Hold on a second. It's just not plugged in. But let me turn that to 0. Yep, I got a little overconfident there on my electrical abilities. It's hardwired in, but I had it plugged. So we'll click start, which you hear now. Then I'm going to click it to forward. This wheel's a little loose. That's what you're hearing. I'm sorry, not the wheel, the sandpaper. I thought this was interesting, and I'm going to show you guys something here. If I put this on, if I turn it off, just to show you how good of a unit this is. So it'll go for 5-6 minutes like this. Power's off, and you know, it's slowing down, but I mean, you can even, here I killed the starter, it's off. There's no power going to this thing. The shaking is this thing. This light has got the center loose. Very nice unit. It's in excellent shape. Currently wired for 233 phase, I think I said that, but I'll tell you anyways. And I don't know, that's the unit. Let me know if you have any questions. I could show you, so flipping this back on, I could show you what I mean. I mean, it's been going for a good 30 seconds. It's not even slowing down. But if I click it on again, this puppy moves. It's off. I was looking for a piece of steel or something to slow this thing down so I could show you the other way. Nothing handy. I guess I could use this. Here, I'll just show you real quick. So granted, there is no power on this thing. And that flapping you're hearing is actually, this wheel is just the tape. I actually kind of pushed it up, but you can see it's a little loose. Okay, well what I wanted to show you was, if I click this off and I hit stop and I hit start again, and I was going to do it in reverse. So that's the unit. Like I said, if you got any questions, let me know. Thank you.